Headlines making the news this morning. Toddler shot dead in Trelawney. Construction worker shot dead in Anatole Bay. Man in custody after cocaine found in container on the house. 2 alleged robbers killed in clash with St. Mary, police identified. The headless body of a man has been found in Glengough, St. Catherine. He has been identified by the alias Bigaras. The discovery was made in the community of Mount Concord. Residents had earlier reported hearing explosions in the area. The Trelawney police are now probing the murder of a 2-year-old child who was shot dead in Clarkstown Sunday night. Preliminary reports reaching Observer Online are that the toddler was hit by a bullet which missed its intended target during a gun attack in the community. A 22-year-old man was gunned down in a community in Anatole Bay, St. Mary. The deceased has been identified as O'Dane Martin, a construction worker. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 10 p.m. on Saturday, Martin was sitting outside a shop after it had closed using the Wi-Fi. According to the residents, several shots were then heard. Martin's body was later found with gunshot wounds. His death came less than a week after his mother's grocery shop was burned down and a month after the hardware store where he was working was also torched. The Anatole Bay police are investigating.